25 fascinating facts about the Pygmy Three-Toed Sloth, Bradypus pygmaeus. The Pygmy Three-Toed Sloth is a critically endangered species found exclusively on Isla Escudo de Veragua, a small island off the coast of Panama. It is one of the smallest sloth species, with adults typically weighing around 5-7 pounds, 2.3-3.2 kilograms. The sloth's name derives from its 3 toes on each limb, which are adapted for climbing and hanging from trees. The Pygmy Three-Toed Sloth has a unique pale tan or beige fur, which helps it blend in with the mangrove trees on the island. It has a slow metabolism and spends most of its time suspended upside down in trees, moving slowly and deliberately. Pygmy Three-Toed Sloths have specialized adaptations for a semi-aquatic lifestyle, including longer limbs and the ability to swim. They primarily feed on mangrove leaves, buds and shoots, which provide their main source of nutrition. The sloths have a low-calorie diet which contributes to their slow metabolism and leisurely lifestyle. The Pygmy Three-Toed Sloth is a solitary animal, rarely interacting with other sloths except during mating season. Sloths have a unique symbiotic relationship with algae that grows on their fur, giving them a greenish tint and providing camouflage. The algae on their fur helps to provide additional nutrients and may help protect them from insects and parasites. The population of Pygmy Three-Toed Sloths is estimated to be fewer than 100 individuals, making them one of the rarest mammals on Earth. The main threats to their survival include habitat loss, as mangrove destruction occurs due to human activities and climate change. Efforts are being made to protect the habitat of the Pygmy Three-Toed Sloth through the establishment of conservation areas. The International Union for Conservation of Nature, UCURN, has classified the Pygmy Three-Toed Sloth as critically endangered. The sloths are highly vulnerable to predation due to their slow movement and restricted habitat. Their natural predators include birds of prey, snakes, and feral cats. Pygmy Three-Toed Sloths have a long lifespan, with some individuals known to live for over 20 years. They have a relatively low reproductive rate, with females giving birth to only one offspring every 1 to 3 years. The young sloths are born with a fully formed coat of fur and cling to their mother's underside for the first few months of life. The Pygmy Three-Toed Sloth is an important indicator species for the health of the unique ecosystem of Isla Escudo de Veragua. Researchers continue to study these sloths to better understand their behavior, ecology, and conservation needs. Limited ecotourism is being developed on the island to raise awareness and support conservation efforts for the species. Local communities and organizations are involved in conservation initiatives to protect the Pygmy Three-Toed Sloth and its habitat. The Pygmy Three-Toed Sloth is a fascinating and unique species that highlights the importance of protecting and preserving the biodiversity of our planet. These facts shed light on the remarkable characteristics and conservation status of the Pygmy Three-Toed Sloth, emphasizing the need for conservation efforts to ensure the survival of this critically endangered species. If you have learned something, please like, share and subscribe for more interesting video.